to the world of Binance. In this video I will show you how to get started. Step 1. How to register on Binance.com. Click on the register button on the top right of the web page. Fill in your personal details, and click on register. Follow the instructions below. Go to your email and click on the orange button to confirm. Now go back to Binance.com, and click on Login on the top right corner. You can now log in with your own information. It is highly recommended to use the two-step verification. This way your account is extra secured. Step 2. How to make a deposit on Binance. Now click on Funds, and then on Deposit Withdrawal. Here you will find your Binance wallet. Type the coin you want to deposit here. Click on the deposit button behind the coin name. Your personal wallet address will appear here. Copy the address to your broker, and make sure that this is the right coin and the right address. Step 3. How to withdraw. In your wallet, click on the withdrawal button of your coin. Fill in an address, and the amount you want to withdraw. Step 4. How to trade on Binance. Go to Exchange, and click on Basic. Here you will see the trading platform. On the top right corner you can choose which coin you want to trade with. You can trade with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and USDT. The details of your selected coin will appear in the top left corner. Beneath that, you can see an overview of the open sell orders, but also the open buy orders. On the other side you will find the trade history. This chart shows you the real-time graph of the coin's price. Here you can trade the selected coin. With limit, you can choose the price you want to buy or sell the coin for. Then fill in the amount of coins you want to buy or sell. You can also select a percentage of the coin you have, and it will calculate the amount of coins for you. The order will be filled if the coin reaches your selected price. Then your order moves from open orders to order history. Congratulations, you now made your first trade. If you want to buy the coin for the current price, you can choose Market, and select the amount of coins you want to buy or sell. This way you buy or sell the coin immediately. The tab stop limit is a more advanced way of trading. For more information you can click on the question mark. So now you know how to get started. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon.